Good morning to all employees in Hong Kong. I introduce myself. I'm Susan E. Moreno. I'm 34 years old and my height is 155 centimeter and my weight is 52 kilograms, and I live in Barangay Hinabuyan, Dagami, Leyte, Philippines, and my religion is Roman Catholic, and I'm married, and my husband job is a farmer. I have no kids, and my mother, she is a housekeeping, and my father was already deceased, and we are 9 of our siblings, 6 boys and 3 girls, and I'm 8 of our siblings. I'm graduate of high school, and my experience before, since 2017 until 2019, I finished contract 2 years in Saudi Arabia. There is the 4 members there and 1 newborn, 2 adults, and 1 elderly 80 years old. And my job there is a taker of 80 years old and helps the child and care, and the rest of my job is cooking, cleaning all the house, and give medicine for the 80 years old, and changing diaper, and taking in the hospital twice a week for the dialysis. And the second experience, and I finished contract in Kuwait country with I finished 4 years, more than 4 years and 1 month, and there is 5 members there, 3 adults and 2 kids. The age of the 2 kids, boy 6 years old and girls 8 years old, and my job there is making food, clean all house, and washing clothes for them, and ironing, take care of the 2 kids, and also there is the dog I take care also. And madam, I'm willing to go in Hong Kong because I need to support to my family, especially to my mother. God bless and thank you.